What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on CTRM stock. First of all, brief information about this company. Castor Maritime engaged in the provision of shipping transportation services through its ownership of dry bulk vessels. And let me show you their financials. Their total market cap for now is $479.12 million. They have a revenue of $10.94 million, so with a net income of negative $457,273. They have positive EBITDA of $2.37 million and they have total cash of $37.64 million with total debt $18.71 million. And they have a very good current ratio of 4.33. And this information is a little bit outdated because the latest report was made on November 11th with the ending period of September 2020. So it is a Q3 2020 report. Nevertheless, they have very good numbers in this report. And from the fundamental standpoint, from their financial statements, I think this company is very stable. And here is their website. As you can see, we are on press release section, and since my previous video they made another announcement on March 19th, and it says Castor Maritime announced deliveries of motor vessel Magic Orion and the motor vessel Magic Argo. And here is this news, and let me quote it for you. Castor Maritime, a diversified global shipping company, announced that on March 17, 2021, it took delivery of motor vessel Magic Orion, a 2006 Japanese-built capsize dry bulk carrier, and on March 18, 2021, it took delivery of the motor vessel Magic Argo, a 2009 Japanese-built Kamsarmax dry bulk carrier. Pursuant to the transactions previously announced on January 20th and February 3rd, 2021 respectively. Both acquisitions were financed in their entirety with cash on hand. The MV Magic Orion is expected to commence employment under a time charter contract or on around March 20th, 2021 at a daily gross charter rate of $21,000 and expected term about 35 days. The MV Magic Argo is expected to commence employment under a time charter contract on or around March 21st at a daily gross charter rate of $25,100 and an expected term of about 4 months. And as you can see, these numbers are slightly higher than the previous one. It was a tanker, and the daily gross rate was $15,000. And these two vessels, they earn more than 25 and 35% higher than the previous one. And it is very good for the company that they have quite a big vessels to earn the money. And let me show you one more information. It is a Baltic Dry Index, and let me show you the definition. The Baltic Dry Index is reported daily by the Baltic Exchange in London. The index provides benchmark for the price of moving the major raw materials by sea. The index is a composite of 3 sub-indexes that measure different sizes of dry bulk carriers. Capsize, which typically transport iron ore or coal cargoes of about 150,000 tons. Panamax, which usually carry coal or grain cargoes of about 60,000 to 70,000 tons. And Supramax, with a carrying capacity between 48,000 and 60,000 tons. The Baltic Dry Index takes into account 23 different shipping routes carrying coal, iron ore, grains and any other commodities. And as you can see, the chart is moving to the upside, and this means prices for deliveries also growing, and it is very good sign for the company that just enhance their fleet. As you can see, on a fully delivered basis, Castor will have a fleet of 14 vessels with aggregative capacity of 1.3 million deadweight ton, consisting of 1 capsize, 5 Kamsarmax and 6 Panamax dry bulk vessels, and 2 Aframax LR2 tankers. And as you can see, they increase their load capacity and the prices also goes up, and this will enhance even more their financials. and we will see it, I think, in the nearest future. But for now, let's dive deep into the technical analysis. And before we make our research in here, please subscribe to my channel with notification bell, in this case you won't miss my next video, and hit the like button, it helps me a lot. So, since my previous video that I made somewhere here at the March 17th, I guess, we don't have much data for now. As you can see, we're still hovering between these two levels, and the bottom one, I think it becomes some kind of support, and I think it's rather good support. As you can see, here was the first touch of this support, and we have several touches, and every time we touch this line, as you can see, price goes up. Here is the next line. For now, I think it is a resistance, and we already have 3 touches in here, and we hovering in the middle of this range. So here was our previous accumulation point, and we bounce from the lowest point for more than 44%, and from our accumulation point we up for more than 17%. And here is our potential second accumulation point. Let me show it to you. I put the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom of this entire structure to the top of the structure, and here was 2 main accumulation points, 0.618, 0.65, it is a golden pocket zone, and 0.786 region, and we didn't hit this region. But it is still possible that we might have one more leg to the downside, and this will be our next potential accumulation point. So our targets is right here. It was made with the Fibonacci extension tool, and our first target is around $2 mark, our second one is around $2.4, and the most aggressive target is around $3.5, and let me show you indicators. So we are on 2-hour time frame, and as you can see, we hover in the middle of neutral zone according to RSI, and we have some kind of consolidation. We have some kind of triangle here, and very soon we might break it either way, and this will give us an opportunity to make some assumption with the price action and the direction of this price movement. Let's switch to the 4-hour time frame, and we have almost the same pattern. And let's switch to daily time frame. On daily time frame, as you can see, we have this momentum, and negative momentum is losing right here from the beginning to the mid of March, and for now we a little bit halted our movement, but in my opinion we might go to the positive side anytime soon, and this will give us an opportunity to see some gains on the price action. At the conclusion, I have to say that every time we have news from Castor Maritime, and every time it is a great news, and I think we will see much more vessels in their fleet. And subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and hit the like button. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!